Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Black & Decker Type 3 4-volt DC lithium-ion screwdriver. Okay, the catalog number, model number is BDCS20. Nice little solid unit. Comes with 2 bits. Okay, so you got your Phillips and your common or flathead. Comes with your charger. Okay, on this particular model, when you're actually charging, when you have it plugged in, there is a charging light on the actual plug-in that will light up to tell you. To plug this in, you'll plug it in the bottom, and as you can see, you have that there. Okay, you plug that in, and then you charge that puppy up. On the top, you've got your reverse, center, and forward. Okay, the center is your lock, so it's off. So if you flip the switch, now it's working. Feels like it's got a lot of power. It's easy to tell here. It shows a little arrow showing for forward and a little arrow for back. So what we're going to do first is we'll put a bit in. Make sure you always read everything in the instructions to follow all the safety and cautions that are in there. Got an old chunk of wood here. It's got a couple old screws in it. So we're going to go ahead and put this in reverse, and we're going to try and pull these screws out. So we get those in there. And pull the screws out. So now we've got these screws, so we're going to put it on forward. And without putting in a pilot hole, let's see if we can actually put a screw back in, if it's got enough power. Look at that. It's got enough power to put that puppy right back in. And we can pull that back out. So we have that. Great little unit, like I said, nice and solid, but one of the things I like to do for the homeowner, this is almost perfect if you're going to actually drill some holes to put something through drywall, or if you're going to put something through a stud. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a little drill bit here. We're going to put a drill bit in and see if we can actually drill a hole through the wood. So this could take the place of minor hole drilling at home without actually having to buy a more expensive drill. So we put it in forward, take our board, let's see if we can drill a hole. Yes, it can drill a hole, take you 2 to 3 times longer to actually drill it, but you can get that in. Doesn't have as much torque as like the Ryobi 4-volt unit. But it'll actually get the job done for the price range. So all in all, it's a great little unit. It's something that a basic homeowner can use. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.